Nonghikai SSA kinyo no ya Tulop basa Jong Snem araja khan riau khan nyau hadin baka sorkar jala kala pelat khat ar point sau Klur tingka bat ya Tulop Jong bna yong bat jemang mentau Snem en pelat no hakane kata yohi. Ya kanila ya thu da uba Aristotle Sirembai u Presiden ke Meghalaya SSA School Association menta kasngi hadin balayo ya kerwo ana u menteri katanat pule puthi gajala urakam e sangma.
As far as payment of SSA teachers pending due is concerned, that is number one, payment of area salary of financial year 2016-17, and number two, payment of pending salary of current financial year for the month of April, May, and June. This is to inform to all the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya that yesterday, the 4th of July 2023, the Honorable Education Minister, Sir Rakam Sangma, informed the association that the State Finance Department have released the fund amounting rupees 12 crores 44 lakh approximate, being the first installment for payments of pending area of financial year 2016-17 to all the SSA teachers. He further informed the association that the Education Department, Government of Meghalaya on Monday this week have already sent the sanction order to all the respective district, and the same have been instructed to all the district to do the needful for transfer the same to all the personal account of the SSA teachers. Number two, the Honorable Education Minister informed the association that the Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, will be released the salary for the month of April and May by next week of this month. And for the month of June, the Education Department will be released later. Added to this, the Honorable Education Minister also informed the association that the state government will be releasing the fund, being the capping norms, which is meant for payment of SSA teachers' salary by Monday next week. Therefore, the association requests all the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya to cooperate with the association until further notice. Thank you.